guys, welcome to Tactical Playground. My name is Ivan.
My name is Sheldon.
My name is Raymond.
And ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin is basically why you should play Airsoft. Katulad namin. Diba? So, this is our brand new segment here in Tactical Playground, which is called Just the Tip. Oh my God! What did I just say? sorry. Just a tip.
Just
Just a tip. Okay. Ulitin mo ba natin?
Di
Wala
na!
Okay na
Yun na
yun.
yun.
Okay na. So, we decided na mag-come up ng podcast kasi nga wanna share the knowledge, wanna share the experience, diba?
Yeah.
So, we're actually part of just one team, and etong 2024, our contract with a certain airsoft brand is active na.
Yeah.
Kaming tatlo, we're actually your ICS captains for 2024. Apat kami, meron tang isa, si Sir Clyde. Ay, shoutout kay Sir Clyde, baka sakaling on our next episode, sa makasama ka namin. So, yun. Alright. So, why you should play Airsoft? Diba? So, meron kaming tatlong tip para mas madaling maintindihan ng ating viewers bakit maganda na mag-try ng Airsoft. So, me being the medic of our team, I'll go with medical benefit. Dito kasi sa Airsoft, it's a full body experience. Okay? You get to run around, you get to shout, you get to
Coordinate with the others.
exactly, coordinate with others. So, syempre physical activity yan di ba? Physical activity which is i-handle ni Raymond mamaya. Ang sa akin, yung medical benefits niya. So, the more exercise you do, the healthier you get. That's basically it. The more adrenaline you release, it makes you feel good right after. Diba? Endorphins, kumbaga.
Yeah.
Endorphins. This is similar to what you feel pagka kumakain ka ng chocolate. And yung isang activity na medyo R-rated.
Pero gusto mo talaga monetize?
Oo naman! Siya? Pero hindi, totoo.
Pero,
Endorphins,
totoo
endorphins.
naman.
Bakit?
Hindi siya down.
Kasi, yes. We get to use replicas of real guns. Pero, and we get to shoot other people as well. Pero, at the end of the day, pagbalik namin sa safe zone, lahat kami nakangiti, lahat kami
Yeah.
tumatawa. So,
Mga epic fails.
lahat ng tao masaya, di ba? Another thing is yung it has an effect on your mental health, di ba? You get to release stress in a positive way. So, I think yun yung pinaka the best sa akin,
Yeah.
exercise and the mental health issues na pwede mong i-release.
I think para sa akin isa sa pinaka malaking reason kung bakit mag-airsoft ka talaga. Enjoy yun sa mental aspect. Kailangan mo at the end of the week, kailangan mo ng stress relief, and ang gandang tawag dito, hobby ng airsoft to be the one that you pick pag mag-stress relief ka. And yun nga na mention ni Ivan yung benefit niya mentally sa'yo and all that, and that's very true. Pero yun talaga I think main point kung why you should enter airsoft is yung enjoyment, and the rest of the benefits second na lang yun, pero it's very important din talaga.
Alright, thank you. So, lipat tayo kay Raymond. So, Raymond, ano sa tingin mo benefit for playing airsoft?
Yeah. So yun, first of all yung cardio kasi I know naman you guys playing like COD, PUBG, mobile like that. Dito kasi ikaw tatakbo ka, makipag-coordinate ka sa ibang teams or sa mga ka-team mo syempre na may objective kayo, right? So first of all talaga cardio ang magde-develop since you'll run around in the playing area. So isa pa doon is muscular strength somewhat, syempre.
Oh.
In some time, syempre need mo gumapang. So, mabibuild agad yung core strength mo. Syempre, gagapang ka malayo na hindi ka makikita ng mga kalaban. Tapos, more than that, yun na talaga na physical strength sa airsoft. So,
Yeah.
Okay, context si Raymond kasi is a MMA fighter. So yung mga terms na ginagamit niya, hindi lang pang fitness, even pang actual fights, right? Yan, ayaw lang niya sabihin. So ako na yung nag-bring up. Di ba? No?
Yeah. Pero guys, huwag kayo matakot pag nakalaro nyo sa Raymond. Hindi naman kayo sasapakin yan. Hindi kayo babalibagin yan. So, you know, upakan nyo lang kung napalaro kayo. Yeah.
Okay. So going back, we'll move on to Sheldon. Ang i-discuss naman ni Sheldon is another benefit of playing airsoft, which is you get to develop communication skills.
Yeah. So, ang communication kasi, di ba? Hindi ko naman siguro kailangan emphasize kung gaano ka-importante yung communication sa life natin in general. Pero I think, pag nag-airsoft ka, especially pag sumali ka sa team that actually uses radios, iba yung development ng communication mo eh. I think a lot of us take for granted yung number of words na kaya natin bitaw sa normal conversation. 'Di ba? Pag nag-chat ka or maybe nagpag-usap ka ng ganito, wala ka namang word limit eh. Wala kang ano. So, sometimes may tendency tayo na mag-pad ng sentences natin kahit hindi naman talaga kailangan. And you know, for normal communication, okay yun. Walang problema yun. Goods yun. Pero, once na pumasok ka kasi sa airsoft and you enter a team that actually uses radios or even kahit friends mo lang, kalaro mo, iba yung communication nyo under fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totoo,
Iba di ba?
Totoo.
Iba eh. Iba yung standard protocols na ginagamit niya sa radio. That's one thing. That's one thing na teaches you how to optimize your communication. Pero it's another thing na under fire. Kasi important yung ang tawag dito, important na klaro sinasabi mo, naiintindihan lahat, and as short as possible yung mga sinasabi mo. Kasi once na sinabi mo na madaming beses, na pinahaba mo yan, hindi na maintindihan yan, hindi na may abot na ano. And I think that translates to sa real life mo. I think when you're talking to someone, as much as ayaw natin admit, kailangan natin makuha yung attention nila, and especially with, you know, the internet and TikTok and all those attention span ng tao medyo umaano na eh, bumababa.
tsaka ano yun, like direct to the point na dapat. So,
Yeah.
hindi yung, for example lang, sa mostly ng games, ganito nangyari na. Andun sa may puno.
Yeah.
Tapos yung playing area nyo,
Gubat,
puro puno.
gubat.
So, yun yung maganda ring basis para sa communication. Kasi nga, matututunan nyo rin yung mga terms or terminologies ng mga, yun, like sa military, like
Yeah.
pag nagla-LARP kayo dito sa play area.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
marami kayong matutunan talaga.
Yeah. So yeah, yun nga. Balik ko dun sa sa attention span. Ang baba ng attention span ng tao. Pag may kailangan kang sabihin importante, out of airsoft. Eh pag madaldal ka, and madami ka sinasabi, paano ma-get yung message mo across, di ba? I think airsoft teaches a lot of people to communicate effectively. Yeah. So, pag naglaro kayo airsoft, that's one of the skills na madidevelop mo, is communication. And it really translates to other aspects of buhay mo. And I think yun na yun sa akin.
Yeah, sobrang okay yung mga yung mga binigay niyo na tips. Mag-add lang ako dun sa pang medical aspect.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga, si Raymond, strength, physical strength, physical
Muscle
capabilities,
coordination,
muscle coordination and everything else. Kay
Raydon.
Raymond, kay Sheldon.
Raydon.
Kay Sheldon is the communication aspect, diba? So, sa akin, pag na-realize nyo na may kulang sa inyo, that's the time na mag-improve kayo sa sarili nyo. That's another thing that affects your mental health, diba? It's self-awareness,
Yeah.
diba? So, napansin nyo, mabilis kayong mapagod or mabilis kayong ito na gagawin nyo. You get to go out, you get to exercise, you get to run, di ba? So, yun ang mga mabibigay namin na opinion,
Yeah.
right? Na opinion about playing
Advice.
airsoft that
Yeah.
would make you want to play, I think, right?
Hopefully.
We hope
We hope.
na mag-decide kayo na mag-play.
Yeah.
So, Mon, anything else to add?
siguro dagdag ko dun yung hand and eye coordination, tsaka
Yeah,
mga
pwede,
reflexes. Kasi ikaw na mismo yung babarilin, tsaka ikaw mismo yung babarilin. Unlike sa like mobile games or PC games or sa consoles.
Yeah.
Daliri
Yun,
lang.
daliri
Daliri
lang yung
lang.
gagalaw, tsaka yung mata. Yun na. So, marami rin sa sa cognitive function syempre. Ano ka like, on the spot, iisipin mo yung dapat gawin na, anong tawag dun, may term dun like,
Reaction time?
Okay, kaya mo yan.
Tiwala kami sa'yo, Raymond.
Kaya mo yan, brother.
yung,
Push.
basta on the spot na iisipin mo like, oh man, nawala sa dulo. Basta yun,
Yun.
you get there.
I'm sure may nakakaisip ng words na yun. Lagay niyo lang sa
yun.
comments,
Kaya,
pagkawanan niyo sa
paki-comment na lang.
Oo.
kung ano man yung hindi niya masabi, na nasa dulo na daw ng dila niya. Sheldon, ikaw.
Yeah, I guess no, bringing up mo yung console games. I think outside the scope to ng communications ano. Pero when it comes to sa console games, I mean naglalaro kayo ng mga video games na may barilan for a certain reason, di ba? And a lot of people, I think especially a lot of people na mga kaedaran namin, may hilig kayo sa action, barilan, and all that. And you know, a lot of games, especially yung mga milsim-oriented games, gets that realism into it. Pero iba pa rin talaga yung pumunta ka sa site, meron ka sariling game, sarili kang baril. Iba yung experience 'di ba? It's kind of para sa akin progression yan I think majority ng airsofters nag-i-start talaga sa video games na may barilan. And then eventually kasi naghahanap pa sila ng mas tataas na thrill doon.
Yeah,
And I
mas
think
intense.
ang pinaka ultimate level niyan is mag-airsoft ka talaga. Or you know, sumali ka sa Ukraine or something like that. Kung gano'n ka kung
Sobrang
gano'n ka
adrenaline junkie na yun.
adrenaline junkie ka. Pero yeah, yun if mahilig ka sa mga baril or kahit anong video games na may barilan or things like that, it's another alternative way to express that passion, I guess, or express that
Interest or habit.
interest yun. Buti pa si Raymond nasa loko. Hindi ko na maisip Pero yun lang yung sa akin.
Alright, so very good tips guys, thank you very much. So that covers everything that we'd like to say for this episode kasi obviously wala nang ilaw. I'm not even sure if you guys can see us. We are your ICS 2024 captains. My name is Ivan.
My name is Sheldon.
My name is Raymond.
Alright, so if you want to know more, if you want to play with us, send us a message, like and follow our Facebook page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So that's it guys, stay safe, and remember, stay practical, be tactical. Okay!
Okay. Sana nakita tayo.
Sana kita tayo.
Hindi ba tayo mag-beep pa mag
Wag. Nasa guidelines ng YouTube
talaga?
yun. Bawal ka
Bawal mag-vape. Pagka-
Bawal lang magpakita ng kahit anong
Vices.
vices.
Puta, ano yung ginagawa natin? Di ba vice to?
Pero bawal yun. Drinking and smoking na ka nakalagay talaga. Hindi ka mamamonetize pag ipakita ka lang ganun sa camera.
O, doon tayo sa mamamonetize na.
Oo.
Alright guys.
Outtakes.
Outtakes na natin.